Hey everybody, giving you an up-close look at this silicone indoor doormat. This is a wonderful doormat because it's going to make sure that it catches the dirt and mud and debris on your shoes and make sure that you don't track it inside your home. It's just going to stay right there on that mat. When you're buying one of these things, you want to make sure that it is durable and robust and is going to really catch all that debris from the soles of your shoes. And that's exactly what this one does. And you could put this in a lot of different places. You could have it as an indoor doormat coming in from the patio or outdoor as well. Kitchen mat is a good place for that, to store it right beneath the sink, and a pet mat as well for maybe cats coming out of the litter box. You could use this for dogs as well. And this is something that has non-slip backing, and the holes on the very bottom have a nice design to it because it's going to not slip. So even if there's high winds, this doormat is designed to really stay in place. And as far as what you do when you're walking on this thing and getting the material off your shoes, all you have to do is just scrape your shoes gently on the mat, and the dirt, the mud, the sand, anything that you want off your shoes and not tracked in your home is going to automatically fall onto the mat and stay on top of it and not go through it. So what you're going to want to eventually do with this is to clean it, and that process is really simple. You can use a vacuum cleaner or a broom if you want to get the debris off. You can shake it off outdoors. You can do a machine wash with this, which is nice to have that as a feature, or you can also use a garden hose, place it in a sunny area to dry off. It's just one of those mats that you can tell is going to last a long time. Doesn't easily move, doesn't crease. It's easy to clean. The pets can walk on it. It's durable and dirt resistant, and is something that I think can be used for years, and that's what we're going to plan to do with ours. So that's your up close look at this indoor doormat. Hope that helps, and thanks for watching.